Ever wonder why she keeps turning you down, even when you're genuine? Or why women seem to respond to some men effortlessly while ignoring others? Because when you understand these 11 psychological facts, you step into the top 7% of men she actually desires. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll uncover 11 fascinating psychological facts about women, the kind that can help you become the man they secretly crave. Here's the truth: 93% of men have no idea about these insights, and that's exactly why they get rejected over and over again, even when their intentions are good. But you're different, because if you watch this video to the end, you'll join the exclusive 7% of high-value men who stand out, not because of looks, but because of emotional intelligence and presence. Before we begin, please like this video. It supports my mission to spread Stoic wisdom. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss a post. If you find value here, comment 1 below. If you think I can improve, drop a 2. Your feedback helps me grow. With you, psychological insight number 1. Women fall in love through scent. Surprising? Maybe. But research shows that when a woman is drawn to a man's natural body scent, her likelihood of developing romantic feelings increases by 85%. According to the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, women have 50% more neurons in their olfactory bulb than men, making them far more sensitive to scent, especially in romantic attraction. That means scent isn't just helpful, it's a secret weapon. If you learn how to choose a scent that fits your body chemistry, you'll instantly gain an edge. In attraction, stick around to the end. I'll reveal the top fragrance notes that awaken female desire most powerfully. Psychological insight number 2. Women are drawn to confident men. But be careful, there's a fine line. Come on too strong, and you'll push her away. Real confidence is showing interest while respecting her boundaries. It's about creating comfort, not pressure. Watch her body language. Read the signals. If the moment feels right, initiate light touch naturally. Don't hesitate, but don't force it. Attraction is about sensitivity, not scripts. Psychological insight number 3. Women often hide their feelings, even if she likes you. If you don't act soon, you risk landing in the dreaded friend zone. Research reveals 68% of women have considered a romantic relationship with a male friend if they sensed he might change the dynamic. So, be clear, subtly. Express romantic interest not with big declarations, but through consistent signals. Another surprising insight: women perceive a man as 3x more attractive when they notice other women showing interest in him. It's called pre-selection, and it tells her on a subconscious level that you're already valued. Psychological insight number 4. Playful teasing draws women in. Has a woman ever given you a goofy nickname or teased you in public? That's not rejection, that's connection in disguise. Women often use light teasing as a way to build rapport and establish emotional comfort, especially because they tend to avoid expressing attraction directly. Your move? Respond playfully. Keep the vibe light. You could say something like, "You only call me that because you're into me. You didn't think I'd notice?" That one line can make her feel seen, understood, and more comfortable opening up. Psychological insight number 5. Women adore men who speak their language. No, not words. We're talking about non-verbal cues, the way she looks at you, positions of body, or plays with her hair while talking. Most men miss these subtle signs, but if you can learn to notice them, you'll stand out. Women are more guarded in showing affection because they fear rejection. Instead of being direct, they'll signal interest with small gestures. If she makes deliberate eye contact or adjusts her position to be near you, she's waiting for you to notice, waiting for you to respond. Want me to dive deeper into decoding her signals? Let me know in the comments. Psychological insight number 6. Women care deeply about how they look in intimate moments. She doesn't just throw on lingerie for fun. She carefully picks colors and styles that make her feel beautiful and confident. A simple, genuine compliment about her choice can not only boost her self-esteem, but also inspire her to express herself more boldly next time. Small actions, big emotional returns. This isn't about flattery. It's about creating a space where she feels desired and safe. Psychological insight number 7. Emotional connection enhances physical intimacy. Unlike men, women aren't led by physical desire alone. They crave emotional depth, shared vulnerability, and feeling truly seen. Before any physical moment, take time to ask her questions that invite emotional expression. Let her open up. Let her feel that you're not just with her, but that you're connected to her. This depth will not only elevate her pleasure, it will deepen your bond like nothing else can. Psychological insight number 8. Friendships can rival romantic bonds. Believe it or not, many women experience stronger emotional ties with their closest friends than with their romantic partners. Why? Because friendship often offers something relationships don't: emotional safety without judgment. With close friends, she doesn't need to perform. She feels seen, heard, and understood without expectations. But this can lead to emotional confusion and even betrayal, especially when your connection with her lacks that same emotional grounding. The solution isn't to control her friendships. It's to build such a deep emotional connection that you naturally become the person she turns to first. Listen more. Create safe space. Show her that she doesn't have to censor herself with you. Psychological insight number 9. Not every date is about romance. A US study found that 38% of women admitted to accepting dates just for free meals. Surprising? Yes. Disheartening? Maybe. But this reflects the reality of modern dating, and it doesn't always mean women are using men. Sometimes it stems from social pressure to say yes, to be polite, to stay open. Other times, it's about the experience, enjoying a new restaurant, a relaxing evening, or a meal without worrying about the bill. So, what can you do? Pay attention to her level of engagement. Does she ask thoughtful questions, make eye contact, seem genuinely interested, or is she distant, distracted, surface level? To avoid misreading her intentions, plan low-pressure dates early on. Grab coffee, stroll through a park, explore a museum. These environments encourage authentic conversation and reveal real chemistry. Psychological insight number 10. When she's upset, she wants you to reach out. One of the biggest mistakes men make, waiting for her to come around. When a woman is hurt, silence feels like abandonment. What she really wants is for you to take the first step, not with excuses, but with sincerity. Try something simple. I can tell something's off and I want to understand. That one sentence can disarm tension and open the door to healing. It's not about fixing her emotions. It's about being present for them. That's the real power of empathy and the foundation of trust. Women tend to be more emotionally aware than men, and they deeply value a partner who genuinely tries to understand what they're feeling. This difference isn't random. It's shaped by how society raises us. Women are taught to express feelings. Men are often taught to suppress them. So what happens? Many men grow up feeling uncomfortable around emotions, especially their partners. The answer isn't complicated, but it does require presence. Don't wait for her to come to you when something's wrong. Be proactive. Ask open questions like, I noticed you seem a bit off today. Want to talk about what's on your mind? This shows genuine care, not control, not pressure. Just space for her emotions to exist. When she begins to open up, don't interrupt or jump in with solutions. Most of the time, she doesn't want advice, she wants to feel heard. Make eye contact, nod, stay silent and present. This is called active listening, and it's powerful. You might say, I get why you'd feel that way. It totally makes sense, and I'm here for you. Just like that, she feels safe, seen, respected. That's what builds emotional intimacy, and that's what separates you from almost every other man. Psychological insight number 11. Certain scents deeply affect women's attraction. If you think scent is just an accessory, think again. Studies show that fragrances like jasmine and lavender have a strong neurological effect on women's Perception and mood. In one 2017 experiment, women interacted with men wearing different colognes. Men wearing jasmine-based scents were consistently rated as more attractive. Why? Because jasmine's exotic. Sweet aroma has long been associated with romance and passion. It's been used in perfumes and aromatherapy for centuries to awaken desire. Lavender, on the other hand, has a calming effect, reducing stress and inviting relaxation. Together, these scents create the ideal atmosphere for emotional connection. So, next time you choose a fragrance, don't pick what's trendy. Pick what leaves a lasting emotional imprint. Because in a world full of noise and images, sometimes the memory of a scent lingers longer than 1,000 words ever could. We explored how scent can deeply affect attraction. But now, let's talk about something even more personal. Choosing a fragrance that works with your unique body chemistry. Choosing the right scent for your body. A fragrance that smells incredible on someone else may not have the same effect on you. Why? Because your natural body chemistry plays a major role in how a scent unfolds on your skin. Your skin's pH level, oils, sweat, and body heat all interact with the fragrance to create a completely personal scent profile. That's why it's essential to test different colognes directly on your skin, wait a few hours and observe how they evolve. Don't just follow hype or wear what's popular. Find the scent that actually complements you. Some of the most appealing fragrances to women, especially those with jasmine and lavender notes, are found in iconic colognes like French Orion and Baccarat Rouge 540. These scents are not only luxurious, they're known for being subtly seductive, memorable, and emotionally evocative. However, as always, less is more. A cloud of overpowering fragrance can kill attraction. Instead, apply lightly to pulse points, your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. These warm areas help release the scent gently over time, creating a subtle aura instead of a strong burst. When you master the art of fragrance selection, you don't just smell good, you create an invisible signature, something that lingers in her memory long after you've left the room. Thank you for watching till the very end. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your favorite scent, or ask for fragrance recommendations. I'm happy to help. Your support keeps this channel growing and allows me to bring you more high-value content each week. And remember, in a world full of noise, the man who is calm, intentional, and emotionally aware is the one she truly remembers. Stay grounded, stay authentic, and let your presence speak louder than words.